Davao International Airport update as of May 2026.
Hello Daily Trippers, welcome back to another adventure. For today's vlog, join me as we explore one of the busiest gateways in the Philippines, Davao International Airport, officially known as Francisco Bangoy International Airport. Today we'll do a complete walking tour, check out what's inside, discover interesting facts, answer some frequently asked questions, and talk about exciting future plans for this airport. So come with me. Let's go. Located in Davao City, this airport serves as the main aviation hub of Mindanao and welcomes millions of passengers every year. It connects travelers from Davao to different parts of the Philippines and several international destinations. Quick trivia before we continue. Did you know that the airport code for Davao International Airport is DVO? It is also recognized as one of the busiest airports in the country and remains the #1 airport in Mindanao in terms of passenger traffic. As we walk around, you'll notice how organized and traveler-friendly the airport feels. Major airlines, like Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, and Air Asia operate here, connecting people for business trips, family reunions, and exciting adventures. One thing I personally like about this airport is that it's easy to navigate. Unlike some larger airports where you can easily get lost, Davao International Airport has a simpler layout, making it convenient even for first-time travelers. Now let's answer one of the most asked airport questions. FAQ. How early should you arrive before your flight? For domestic flights, arriving at least 2 hours before departure is recommended. For international flights, around 3 hours early gives you enough time for check-in, security, and immigration procedures without rushing. Another frequently asked question, does Davao have international flights? Yes, it does. Davao currently connects travelers to selected international destinations, making travel more convenient for both tourists and overseas travelers. Now here's one of the latest updates about the airport. Davao International Airport is currently undergoing expansion and improvement projects designed to make the passenger experience even better. Future developments include larger terminal spaces, more passenger seating, improved facilities, expanded commercial areas, and upgrades aimed at handling more travelers in the coming years. And here's another interesting trivia. One of the longest direct flights connected to Davao can take nearly 10 hours. Imagine leaving Davao and landing in another country in a single journey. Airports are more than just places where flights arrive and depart. They're where journeys begin, reunions happen, and new memories are created. Here on the second floor, you'll find shops offering a variety of local products from Davao that are perfect as souvenirs or pasalubong for your family and friends back home. And here's the view from the second floor, where you get a nice overlooking view of the check-in counters below. It gives you a different perspective of the airport and lets you see the movement and energy of travelers coming and going. In this area, you'll still find several stores offering a wide variety of Davao products, from local delicacies, candies, and fresh fruits, to souvenirs and other pasalubong items.
Traveling doesn't have to be expensive. If you're planning your next getaway, you can get an extra 5% off on hotel bookings and 3% off on activities through Klook by using my promo code JK Balagtas Look. It's a simple way to save a little more, and make your travels even more rewarding.
There are also a few food stalls and dining spots here where travelers can grab a quick bite while waiting or exploring the terminal.
Good morning.
You're late, man good. Daghan na kayo nakakubing na.
Pila 100 o tani ba?
100, ako pa na. Kuhaan na, 150,000. Yeah.
Once we pass through the final security checkpoint, we'll enter the departure area where the boarding gates are located. This is where passengers wait comfortably for their scheduled flights before. It's time to board and begin their journey. There are also plenty of seating areas available so passengers can comfortably find a place to sit and relax while waiting for their flights. There are also VIP lounges available for passengers who prefer a more comfortable and exclusive waiting experience. And at the far end of the departure area, you'll find the PAGSS Lounge, where eligible travelers can relax, enjoy refreshments, and unwind before their flight. And that brings us to the end of our Davao International Airport walking tour vlog. I hope this tour has given you a better idea of what to expect when traveling through Davao International Airport, especially if you'll be passing through here on your next trip, whether you're a first-time visitor or a frequent traveler. I hope this walkthrough helps make your journey a little easier and more familiar. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel adventures and walking tours. Until next time, safe travels, and I'll see you on the next trip.